If you want visitors to call you directly from your website, Elementor makes it very easy to add a click to call button, icon, or even linked text. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up using the teal link format so it works properly on mobile devices. And if you want more quick Elementor tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your page in Elementor and go to the spot where you want the click to call element to appear. To create a new section or area, click the plus icon on the canvas. If you're using the new container layout, add a new container first so you have a clean place to place your button or icon. Once the container is ready, click the plus icon inside it and drag in a button widget or an icon widget, depending on the style you want for your website. If you want a simple, clear call to action, the button widget is usually the best option. If you want something more compact, a phone icon can work really well too. You can also apply the same method to text links, so the process is very flexible. Now, click on your widget so the settings appear in the left-hand panel. Go to the Content tab and find the link field. This is the most important part of the setup. In that field, type tel, followed immediately by your phone number with no spaces. For example, you would enter tel +1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. You can also use your local format if needed, as long as it begins with tel. This is the key step because Elementor will treat that as a phone link instead of a normal web link. A common mistake is putting http:// or https:// in front of the number, but don't do that. If you use a normal web link, the click-to-call feature will not work the way you want. It must start with tel:, so mobile devices know to open the phone dialer. Next, if you want the button or icon to look more professional, stay in the Content tab and look for the icon setting. Click the icon library and search for phone. Then choose a handset style icon so it's instantly clear to users that this is a call button. This can improve click-through rates because people immediately understand what will happen when they tap it. After that, switch over to the Style tab. Here you can make the button match your brand and stand out on the page. Under typography, adjust the text color so the label is easy to read. Then change the background color to something noticeable, especially if you want the call button to draw attention. You can also tweak spacing, borders, hover styles, and other visual settings so it looks polished and professional. If you're using an icon instead of a button, you can still style it to match your design. Make sure it's large enough to be tapped easily on mobile and placed somewhere users will naturally look, like near the top of the page, in the header, or next to your contact information. Once everything looks good, take a moment to double-check the number in the link field. Make sure the format is correct and that there are no extra spaces or characters. Then go to the top right of Elementor and click Publish to save your changes. Now, when someone visits your site on a mobile phone and taps the button, icon, or text link, their dialer will open automatically with your phone number ready to call. That's what makes this such a powerful conversion feature, because it removes friction and makes it much easier for visitors to contact you instantly. So that's how to add a click to call in Elementor using the tel link. It's quick, simple, and one of the most useful things you can add to a service website, local business site, or landing page. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Elementor tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.